me out, you don't mean that shit. I keep her looking good, my bitch clean as shit. Baby girl, I love you, I mean that shit. From the bottom of my heart, see me bleeding.
It's about to be a mukbang for you for Thanksgiving.
Damn, we got all of them right here.
I had to, you know, I had to, bro. This shit hair popping, curls popping. You know what I'm saying? This is like finished Thanksgiving. We started mad late. Mad late. Yeah. I don't know what's up. I don't know. But yeah. Let me see your plate. Let me see that plate. Oh, look at that though. Y'all ain't ready for that mukbang though. Y'all ain't ready. Y'all not even ready. Look. They wasn't ready. They wasn't ready. But yeah, time to go crush some Thanksgiving food. And I wanted to see what y'all was eating in the comments. You know what I'm saying? Was it good? Was it bad?
Let us know.
Yeah.
Was it dry?
You know what I'm saying? Was it moist? You know what I'm saying?
You know, don't have it like the viral pictures on the internet where people just be messing up the mac and cheese. Don't do that, please.
Like, was it unseasoned? Let us know. I know a lot of people who don't put seasoning on their food and everything, well, their food fire. I know y'all be straight lying. So let me know in the comment section how y'all food is. Let me know. But yeah, I'm about to go ahead, sit down, get ready for this food tutorial. Actually, ain't no tutorial, this is me eating, talking to y'all. But yeah.
We already said a prayer.
Over our prayer.
So
That turkey about to be fire.
Yeah, y'all heard about the little outbreak, so
Yeah.
I had to do that little prayer.
Salmon outbreak, had to bless the chicken twice, you know what I'm saying? Chicken twice. I said chicken.
Be safe out there with that turkey, y'all.
The turkey, yeah. Chicken fine though. How chicken got the most bacteria, but chicken is safe. Explain. So who's the most dangerous bird, turkey or chicken? Yeah. But yeah. It's time to get this food. You know what I'm saying? Know what I'm saying?
So how was y'all's Thanksgiving? You know, we had a late start. Like, I had just gotten off of work. I passed out. He was sleepy. So we didn't even cook our food up until
At this
like
moment
around 4.
11. I can see that. 11, bro. 11.
10:54 to be exact.
And we just now eating some food. What is wrong with us, bro? I don't care. I'm about to steal questions though.
Oh well, you could have still started it early, even though I was asleep.
Man, I ain't even know you wanted to start it. I ain't even know. You went to work and was like, why ain't you start the food yet? I was waiting on you. Yeah. Oh shit. Drop myself though. Already.
I dropped my greens.
Already, yo.
My head.
True. Thanksgiving, you eat your hands up.
As you see, we got turkey leg, the candy yams, the collard greens. Well, they're mixed greens, but collards right now. Mac and cheese, and the Hawaiian bread rolls. I don't really like cornbread like that.
Best bread on earth.
So, yeah.
The homemade yams though. Yeah.
They're good.
Yeah, we know how to cook. We know how to cook, yeah.
We're just young cooks.
Some slight, yeah. Some slight.
I'm always room for improvement, but shit, we ain't bad.
You know what I'm saying? It's edible. It's edible. I can tell you that.
It's cooked properly.
You know what I'm saying? It's well seasoned.
Right.
You mean,
We did that at the same time.
When that quotation's up, well seasoned. Yeah. I'm just gonna eat.
We're probably not on our parents' level yet because we haven't been doing this for years. So, shit, whatever.
Give me like 20 more years, yo. I'm good. Be a chef. It's a wrap.
It was better than last year's though.
Something different every year, you know what I'm saying? Next year might be some crazy concoctions. Gonna make us something.
Not for my Thanksgiving, don't die.
We're gonna have some crazy concoctions. Can't be the same thing every year. Switch it up. Switch it up, yeah. I mean, it be the same stuff. Like mac and cheese.
Get like lamb or duck.
Yeah, it was like mac and cheese, but different cheese. You know what I'm saying?
This bread is life.
When the yams and the mac and cheese create black excellence. Yes. Yes. So. See what I'm drinking for last. For real.
I'm waiting until you ready to eat it.
Oh, for real. Hey, two hands. It's like. I mean, we can go ahead and pick at it, taste it. So, had this thing roasting for a good hour and a half, almost.
Spike the shit.
Yeah, about to bite it. I'm about to be taste tested real quick. It's smack, bro. It's smack. Like, it's one of these. With the follow through and then the comeback. You know what I'm saying? So, it's smack. But yeah.
It's a flavorful turkey leg.
Mm-hmm. That's definitely last. I'm not eating that right now. You know what the best food on your plate? You gotta save it for later. It's like that. I didn't know that we always eating on the video. Think about it.
I never did like a real mukbang though.
Well, we had the Chick-fil-A, not Thanksgiving. Then Subway. Stay eating.
Cheesecake Factory.
Cheesecake Factory.
Food is life.
That's what I'm saying, man. If I gain 30 pounds, just.
Nah, tell them what you bought yesterday.
What? Talk about the pie? Or which one?
The Mexican food.
Oh, yeah. Bro, it's Mexican food, right? I thought it was some regular, like, Taco Bell fast food joint, which I already know, but I went there anyway. So I got a quesadilla and like a side order of fries. Quesadilla was straight, it was kind of big, cut into fours. I get the fries though, I'm like, where my fries at? It's a whole nother tray. A whole nother tray. I'm like, these ain't regular fries, so they got shit on it? Like, nah, I don't know. So I opened it up. They got like guacamole, 3 types of cheeses, you know what I'm saying, onions, greens, beans, potatoes, tomatoes, Super Saiyan fries as in my box. I'm like, bro, this is the side of fries. Then look at my bill.
Fries.
Then look at my bill. I'm like, oh, that's why it's $20. I'm thinking it's just like 20 because the shit was huge. I'm like, bro, I can't. I tell you, I ate 1 slice of quesadilla and like maybe 4 fries, and that was through. Can't eat no more. I don't know what happened. I used to have a big appetite. I was like, nah, I'm good. I was like, I ain't finish that shit. I was like, nobody will eat this. It's too much. It was just cheese.
Wasted $20.
It was just cheese and guac. I mean, I ate the quesadilla. You know what I'm saying? But I couldn't finish the fries. I ate like a little bit. I was like, that's too much. Bro. Like you ate, I'm sure you ate like maybe 4 or 5 fries, and all that cheese on it. It's like every fry had a topping on it. Every individual fry had toppings on it, bro. So it was eating a Philly cheesesteak fry. So,
Pretty much.
yeah, and I was like, bro, I mean, like 5 of these, I'm good. It was fire, but damn. Yeah. So Black Friday, it's not today, but tomorrow, but they're starting it today. I went to get some foil, and they were serving free coffee in front of Walmart. So like, I couldn't really go to the entrance. I could, but I had to go in and like around to get what I want, because the foil is in the back of the store. So I had to maneuver. I tried to get past the one lady with the cart. She was not trying to move. Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me. Excuse me. She was like not hearing me, so I just like, you know what? Let me go ahead. She was like, you moved. I moved your cart. I did. Sorry. You.
Doing the same thing.
Yeah.
Pay attention.
Exactly. Yeah.
People around here act like they can't pay attention to their surroundings. It's really annoying.
Very.
So one time I was trying to get to the parking lot, and I had to make a left turn, right? And then as soon as I was about to make that turn, there was a car just sitting there. A dude talking to a lady in the car. They were just sitting there. They saw me looking at them, and I was just like there for a minute because like I was trying to maneuver through them, and it was a tight curve. They ain't move. They did not move. So I just had to kept maneuvering my way through.
You don't want to move, I can make you move. That's just my philosophy.
The only way I could have made them move.
I got a question for y'all.
Hit their car.
I got a question. Is this oven or is it grill? Oven or grill? What's the move for tomorrow?
I don't know. We'll probably be out and about. But it'd be like crazy traffic.
Most likely.
Everybody trying to shop for Black Friday.
I'm an online shopper myself.
There are so many malls around us. You know people gonna be out here.
Except for them 11s, I'm at to cop those, but I'm away. I ain't gonna camp out. You know what I'm saying? Then again, when I get shoes now, it's just like, I really don't be wanting them like now, like I used to. So it's like, or I want something really exclusive, so I just order online. Yeah, so shout out to StockX, shout out to GOAT. Y'all know about them. Y'all some real sneakerheads. I know about GOAT. StockX. I know about it. I want to see everybody's food. I don't know why. I'm about to scroll through like Facebook.
You the made one talk about something you don't want to see people's food. Now
I just do cause they do saying like, yo, this shit fire, bro. I got the best plate in the world, bro. This shit fire. My turkey leg alone shits on your whole plate, bro. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. That's just me. You're not messing with my turkey leg, bro. That's how I'm saying. So the grand finale question for the viewers. What y'all think about that Tory Lanez and that Jonah Lucas battle?
I knew you were going to say something.
I don't know. Who won to y'all? I ain't making a reaction to it because I don't be doing it on the channel. But like, one day we're going to do a reaction to some shit. You know what I'm saying? I ain't trying to make one now because that shit hella late. You already seen it. But who y'all think won? I just want to know in that section, bro. Who y'all think got bodied? Who y'all think had the best verse? Who would beat y'all leg with all that, everything? You know what I'm saying? Me personally, I like to dissect stuff, but I don't got time to do this on the video after doing this and then trying to do a whole reaction. That's like we just make that one topic, then yeah. But who y'all think won? I don't know.
What's your opinion?
My honest opinion.
Talk about your opinion.
I don't know. I do know that'd be another video because y'all ain't gonna like me. Y'all might hate me. Like no man, no. I mean, it's my opinion though. So it's whatever. I mean, they both was nice. They both one of my favorite artists. So I win in both cases. So I got 4 new tracks for 4 people I like. Well, 2 people I like. You know what I mean? I'm just saying.
I have an opinion on it as well, but I don't think I would shut up for another video.
I do for another video. I do. Yeah. But happy Thanksgiving, BTV. But then Jordan. But then Jordan's turkey leg, like,
Oh shit, we need a thumbnail.
Right. Thumbnail time. That would it be. Remember to like, subscribe, tell me about your food. Like my food or not. I'll show you how to make it. like her food. She said I had to make it. Belita.
It's for the trial and error. But you know, we're gonna be doing another little dinner for Christmas. So by then we know what we like to do for our food. We're just doing trial and error. So next time I might actually show us cooking it and show our ingredients and all that. So stay tuned.
Yeah. We out, boy. BTV.
So what is your favorite thing to eat for Thanksgiving? Like, what is it that hit the most? What makes Thanksgiving Thanksgiving? Comment down below. Is it the mac and cheese, the collard greens, the candy yams, turkey, chicken, whatever you like to eat? Just comment down below. Comment what family member does it the best. I want to know. Like, personally, what is your favorite thing that you like to eat for Thanksgiving? From who?
Usually my dad be on the grill, so if you grill anything barbecue,
Flame.
flame, bro.
Flame.
A flame, bro. A flamethrower.
Mom, the mac and cheese is so good. Like, she mixed all them cheeses. And I think she put like sour cream in it. And like, she just melt all the sauces in the pie and everything. She coats a lot of cheese on top. It has a little crunch to it, a little brown, but it's still very soft.
Yeah. Shout out to mom and dad.
The collard greens.
I don't know. It's turkey leg. Hidden though. A lot of people got turkey leg.
I think it really just be the turkey legs that I like, not the turkey itself.
Bro. Like a whole bird. I'm gonna eat all that shit. It's like.
Just be dry. I'm sorry.
Yeah, Thanksgiving leftovers.
Oh.
Like gravy. It's gonna smack. Smack with, it's actually smack without gravy. I thought I needed some gravy, but I'm like, you don't even need it.
It's good. Damn, Zach, I thought you had a man's appetite. What happened?
I don't know.
What happened? You can't even finish the turkey leg. I don't think I'm gonna finish it either, though.
It's crazy, bro. I don't know what's going on with me, bro. I ain't even finished the food, though. I ain't stressing or nothing, though. I just can't finish it, bro. I don't eat no more.
Zach can't finish his food.
What's going on?
Then we're gonna talk about how I can't finish my food.
Yeah, you don't ever finish your food.
I do sometimes.
What's a Chick-fil-A?
Chick-fil-A is light.
That's probably what it is. If something like extra heavy, like cheesy and shit, I'd be like, nah. I lose taste for it. I'd be like, I ain't eating this shit, bro.
Yeah, I feel you.
Or if like super sweet, there's like a lot of it. Like, nah.
Too sweet. Especially the pretzels I bought that one time.
Yeah.
Nah, they did it wrong. They put too much of that glaze on it. And that's what happened. And plus all that bread and just sweetness.
Yeah. I was like, nah, I made like 3 of these. I'm good.
I just got full half of them. It's either that or I just said one of them more.
If I just had diabetes as soon as I ate one, and I was like, I'm good, bro. Alright, ain't no more.
They didn't do it right, and then they just poured it on there. Like,
It was half the bag was icing, a third of the bag was bread, the rest was just a cinnamon.
I should have said something. Like, yo. Right now, we got a little apple pies with cream. And then we got this little pie here. We got the Whole Foods. And it's good. Great value, did it stay? I would say.
I would hope. So. We ain't talking right now because we just enjoying the food.
I don't want to talk with food in my mouth.
I'm just saying.
But yeah, I'd like to make a shout out to our family that's on the other side of the USA on Thanksgiving since we're not with them. You know, shout out to my mom, my dad, my sister, her little babies, You're so cute. Naya, shout out to you, because I know you wanted a shout out for a good minute. I ain't forget. I'm a little sleepy. I'm not gonna lie. Like, that food hit me.
Just not getting to dessert, man. She can't even. She's about to be out in like 5 minutes, y'all.
No, I'm gonna finish my dessert.